I'm very familiar with the criminal process involving sexual assault and sexual abuse. I'm also very familiar with the civil process, and they are very different processes. The criminal side looks to punish the perpetrator and essentially put them in jail. That is the goal of the criminal side, focus on punishment. Science has shown and proven that most perpetrators of sexual assault are not very amenable to rehabilitation. Oftentimes it is about protecting the public and taking that threat off of the streets. District Attorney's Office in your local jurisdiction will be the office prosecuting those type of criminal cases. It's investigated by the police and is prosecuted by the District Attorney's Office. That's the criminal side. And what's important to know about the criminal side is that is not necessarily your case. As a survivor of sexual abuse, when you report that crime, it becomes a case led by the state of California. That's why the case name is the people of the state of California versus the defendant in the criminal case. The decisions are made by the district attorney's office on what they want to do with that case. What's drastically different is on the civil side, it is your case. It is oftentimes your name if you choose to use your name, or pseudonym if you want to remain anonymous. But it is your case, which means you make all the decisions. Whether you file the case, how you prosecute the case, going to trial, settling, it's your case, your decision all the way. We're there to be your guide and to be your support. So they're two very different components. They have different aspects with regard to the financial side of it. The criminal side is handled by the district attorney's office, which is paid for by the tax dollars. The civil side, unfortunately, has to be paid for through private means. We advance all costs. We don't ask for money from our clients unless we're able to get a recovery for our clients. So although it is very expensive to civilly prosecute a case, we front all those costs on all the cases that we take on. There is no burden, there's no risk to our survivors. We don't recover anything. We don't ask for any money, not even the costs of litigation.